Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to update the Uber app to the latest version on your device. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open either the Play Store if you're using an Android device or the App Store if you're on an iPhone. This is where all your app updates and downloads are managed. So it's the first place you need to go whenever you want to update any application on your phone. Once you're inside the store, direct your attention to the search function. You'll typically find this at the top of the screen, often represented by a magnifying glass icon or a search bar. Go ahead and tap on it to activate the search field so you can start typing. Now, in the search bar that appears, type in Uber and hit search. This will bring up the Uber app along with any related applications in the results. The main Uber app should appear at the top of the search results, making it easy to identify. This search function is helpful because it takes you directly to the app's page without having to scroll through your entire list of installed applications. After the search results load, you'll see the Uber app listed. Look carefully next to the app icon and name, and you should notice a button that says Update. This button only appears when there's a newer version of the app available that you haven't installed yet. If you don't see an update button and instead see open, that means you already have the latest version installed on your device. If the update button is visible, go ahead and tap on it. This will immediately start downloading and installing the latest version of the Uber app. Depending on your internet connection speed and the size of the update, this process may take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. You'll see a progress indicator showing how much of the update has been downloaded and installed. Once the update completes, the button will change from update to open, confirming that you now have the most current version of Uber installed. The latest version typically includes bug fixes, performance improvements, new features, and important security updates that help keep your app running smoothly and safely. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Uber app to the latest version. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.